Robotics season is underway at Lenape High School, and Storm is already picking up speed, firing out of the gate with new ideas and a drive to be the best. Robot designs are being discussed, preliminary tests have been made, and a wooden prototype is being built in the woodshop. And while all the teams are hard at work at their respective jobs, Evan Bradley and I, Jake Lazaro, will be documenting it all in a brand new segment. Interviews, information, updates. We are the outlet for what everyone has been up to in the previous week, and what to look forward to in the future.
This is Stormwatch.
This year's game, Stronghold, I think is going to be a very interesting one. Definitely in stark contrast to Recycle Rush, which was more of an exhibition match, just kind of three robots competing a task without any real regard to what was going on the other side of the field. So we're very excited to see a more offensive or in-your-face sort of game this year. When the bumpers came out in the reveal video, there was cheering and clapping amongst my teammates because we were all very excited to be able to finally have robots actually go head-to-head for the first time in a year.
So in the beginning of build season, we really need to focus and prioritize planning and stuff like that, because that eventually leads into prototyping and actually building the robot. So with planning, there's got to be a lot of collaboration involved, because if my team, the hanging robot or the hanging arm, we now have a limited certain amount of space, but before we didn't know that. So with the planning, we know where to put the arm, where we can't have stuff, we know how compact to make it. So that planning really helped us figure out where we can work around, and it also makes things more complicated, but that's just what you gotta work with. And then with the planning, eventually, we can begin prototyping with our mechanism, how it will rotate and how it will lift, all the motors and everything, all the gears and the ratios, all that. And then prototyping will lead into building, which now we can actually assemble our actual metal hanging device onto the robot, along with electricals thing, the chassis, and the shooting mechanism.
While the students are definitely pumped for the games, don't count the mentors out on the excitement.
In terms of this year and improving the team, I'm really looking forward to seeing what kind of robot we're going to put together. I think this year we have some new equipment in our metal shop at Lenape, and I think we'll put together a really competitive robot. In addition, I feel that not only might we improve our robot in terms of its on-the-field performance, we're also going to improve our team in terms of its outreach activities, our public visibility, how we're seen in the community. I feel like we're going to continue and expand our outreach events, and we're going to make Storm more of a name in South Jersey and hopefully beyond too.
Join us every Monday for a new and exciting twist on what FRC 2729 is up to, and also be prepared to be kidnapped for interviews. From Stormwatch Productions out of D108, work hard this week so we have something to talk about next week.